So Upgrade Labs Riverton, August 3rd, Saturday at 9 a.m. We're gonna have Ed Harrold speaking about breathing and teaching us the proper ways of getting that breath. Over on our side here, we have our recovery side, minus a couple of other things in the facility, but we have PEMF, we have our FDA cleared lymphatic, which is built by Balancer Pro, and then we have our O2 trainer in the back. But these are all amazing pieces of recovery, and Ed's gonna tell us on how to use that breath to our best benefit.
So these are all amazing devices in repairing the body extremely quickly. And you don't want to miss this. So when you lie down here, it's important that you have me time. You place your phone aside for 15 or 20 minutes. Whatever's on there, you can go visit in 15 or 20 minutes later. Tune into your story. And as you come onto your back, let's see if we can really release and relax our eyes and release and relax our low jaw. Let's get maximum blood flow into the two prefrontal cortexes of the brain, which is the most awake area of the brain. So relaxing our eyes, relaxing our jaw. This is where we hold the majority of our tension. Now, let's get the brain's attention by breathing slower than we normally do. Stabilizing the heart rate, dropping the blood pressure down, putting open neurochemistry through the brain, toning off the stress organs of the amygdala and the hippocampus, and let the body begin to burn fat as a fuel source. How do you do that? How do you burn fat? Here's a secret original biohack. Exhale through your nose longer than your inhale, and you'll reduce inflammation and improve circulation and receive the maximum of what these vibrations can bring into your nervous system. So if you like to count, maybe you just want to inhale for a 4 count and exhale for a 6 count, or inhale for a 5 count, exhale for a 10 count, whatever it may be, but get used to riding the exhale to completion. It's great for the brain and great for the body.
Thanks, Ed.
Thank you so much, everyone.